Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how we can create an account on MI. So if you are an MI mobile user, so if you want to have an account, it's very simple. Just browse through this URL here. So I'm showing this in the web browser, so this will be very easy. So this will be useful when you want to recover your account or when you update your any software update, and if you are stuck with the login ID, because MI will ask to enter your login ID with your MI account. So to create that, you can just enter your mail ID here. Once you reach this page, just click on create MI account. So you need to choose the password in the second step. Make sure you remember this password. So enter the captcha code. It's XDCAT7 4. Click on submit. Okay, I need to enter a strong password. I have just entered only numerics. It should be the combination of alphanumerics. So I need to again enter the code. So I need to click on the verification mail which is sent by the MI. Okay, I will refresh the mail whether there is any confirmation or the activation mail from the MI. So if it is your Gmail, please do check in primary social promotions and updates. And here in updates, I have got a mail from Xiaomi Corporation to activate the MI account. So if I click on this, my new MI account is completed. So take a screenshot of this and better save this. Anyway, you'll get your mail. So I'm taking the screenshot. I'll make it as an image so that this will be very useful for me. This MI ID. So this is how within just in a minute. Here I have saved this. I'll save this image. So just copy this MI ID and you can keep it safe for the login. So this is my MI ID, and creating this is very simple, and I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.